As lawyers, these documents would have been extremely useful in building that bridge, evidence-wise, to Hoover and Sullivan and Moore, which we understood both politically and from the COINTELPRO documents that they had to have been involved. And that's why we went to depose them. But the judge had limited my examination so completely that I couldn't get to make that link. And certainly we didn't have the documents to make that link. So as lawyers, we're looking at it now, Jeff and I, and saying, wow, if we had these documents, we could have shown the importance that what was happening in Chicago and the importance of O'Neill in not only the work in Chicago, but it was something that was so important that Hoover and Moore and Sullivan themselves were on it and interested in it and rewarding them, both O'Neill and Mitchell, for their work here just at the time when O'Neill and Mitchell were setting up the raid and covering it up afterwards. So it's a remarkable fourth prong. I guess it's no longer a triangle. It's a box of documents that I mentioned before that are the bedrock of the conspiracy. Now, on the one hand, Bobby Rush on December 4th stood in front of the Panther house and said, we lay this at the feet of J. Who Edgar, which is what he referred to Hoover as. And to some people, when they read the Truthout article, they say, well, we knew that. And yes, we knew that. We tried to make it part of our case, but no, we didn't have the documentation. And both as lawyers and as historians, and I think as people who want not only to have well-constructed beliefs, but also to have the documents that prove your thesis or prove your theories, this is another peg in that construction. And so that makes these documents very important. They've still deleted documents. I haven't told Jeff this yet, but I just got a call an hour ago from Bobby Rush, who along with Fred Hampton started the Black Panther Party, and he's now in Washington and has been for many years as a powerful member of the Black Caucus of the House of Representatives. He saw the editorial in the Chicago Sun-Times today about these documents. And he said that he's going to make an effort to make sure that the Justice Department under Biden opens up the files. So we'll see if that goes anywhere. But that was quite an important phone call, I thought. And with this movie coming out in the next few weeks, it's going to highlight Fred and his relationship with O'Neill. I think there's going to be quite a bit of interest. Renewed interest in the assassination of Fred Hampton and the murder of Mark Clark. And we'll have to see the political fallout and the political ramifications of what Aaron Leonard has started here by opening up the files.